Greetings all. My name is Hriday Sangvi and I'll be taking you all through Team Diamond's proposed solution for problem statement ID 25253. Our website, Vidyametrics, has three primary views. One is for the universities where upon signing up, they'll be provided with their unique login IDs and passwords via which they can upload relevant documents and apply for grants provided by UGC. Second is for the admin view, which serves as a primary and most important view that enables UGC and AICTE employees to generate reports, validate documents, compare universities, and create, edit, approve, or reject grants. Third view is a public view, which was created with the aim of providing the public with a one-stop solution of getting access to all publicly available information that a university must disclose according to UGC and AICTE guidelines, basically serving as a Know Your College portal. Let's quickly go through each one of these views. Starting with the university view. This is our login page. New universities can obviously sign up here. Let's register and let's log in. The homepage shows a university their current rankings according to NIRF and NAAC if they're eligible for those. The document tracking section is imperative for report generation. It shows a university what all documents they need to submit and also depicts its current status. So for example, if they've submitted a document and it has been approved, it shows approved right here. Moving on to the Documents tab. Here we have categorically divided documents to be uploaded into different modules such as infrastructure, faculty, and student outcomes. This shows the university what percentage of necessary documents have they submitted, and this shows them what all documents they are yet to submit. Basically provides a comprehensive list of all documents under this module. They can upload documents from here. Let's move on to the Grants tab. Universities can review what all grants they're eligible for. They can also check what all documents are required for each grant. So in this case, since a university has not fulfilled all the documents requirement, they will not be able to apply for it. But if we go back, due to complete document submission in this one, we can apply for a grant. That is it for the university view. Moving on to the admin's view. Let's log in. Yes, the homepage basically serves as a filtration tool via these different search bars. It enables them to select which institutions they want to report for, what type of report do they want, and they can also search by location. The various types of reports that we will be providing, along with the parameters, metrics, data fields, and more for each of the categorically divided reports is explained in this document in much detail. I would request the selectors to browse through this report as well. Coming back to the Figma, this shows us which universities match our filtration needs. This indicates the document/data sufficiency for the generated report, and from here we can view the report. The reports can be summarized using AI. They can obviously be downloaded, and one of our unique feature, that is the compare button here, leads us to this. Admins can choose more universities which they would wish to compare with the previously chosen university. They can then select key performance indicators which will be used to compare selected universities. Our backend model then generates a comprehensive data-driven comparative report which too can be summarized using AI. Going back, the grants section allows an admin to view all ongoing and active grants. They can click on a grant, fetch all relevant details, and get a list of all universities that have applied for this particular grant, along with the necessary reports for grant application. The same filtration tools are present over here, as on the home page to filter universities based on locality. Going back, the admins at UGC and AICTE can also create and edit grants. The verification tab over here is for reviewers at UGC and AICTE to verify reports submitted from universities. It lets them view their documents and accept or reject based on contextual criteria. That's it for the admin view. Thank you. And finally, the public view. Upon logging in, the homepage provides a brief introduction about our duties and functions at Vidyametrics and shows them all relevant and latest notices, notifications, and news events as well. The Guidelines tab lets the public view understand and review the scope of latest guidelines along with providing them the ability to look for guidelines based on year of release. The Regulations tab works similarly. It enables the public to gain access to all mandatory regulations that a university must follow and allows them to view past guidelines via the archives. Higher education institutions is our primary and most important tab for the public at large. It provides a classification of all HEIs, lets them view universities by classification. It also provides basic details about the college. It lets the public view what all grants has a university applied for, and it also links the public to the official college website. Going back, we also provide the public with necessary information related to fake universities, universities not abiding by certain regulations, and more. I would request the selectors to go through our Figma once by themselves as well. Thank you.